Hi guys, in this video we're gonna see how to start English, like how to speak the English, because so many people are struggling to speak English and start to speak in English, I think. So why I am saying means because of the lot of the beginners they are having to the environment, and also they haven't to the confidence. So that's the reason there are like they having to speak, like because of they know some of the basics language, like the the basic conversation, but they haven't to speak. Like if you have to speak with me, please let me know in the comment section. I will create some Google Meet. We gonna speak like the conversation one on one. We take in the record and post on the YouTube if you have the interest. So we gonna see how to start the English, how to speak the English. Like initially, the small improvement there could you, like how to say, if you speaking the English, the frequently, yeah, you how to say, you should using the multiple English words like and me. Then if you know some of time, yeah, your mind will be thinking in the own language, but you should the take time to put on the English word and speak that. So that is the next helpful. And also try to speak slowly. If you speak slowly, you having to fear, you having to stuck or something. You know, like so many people there are speaking the fast because of they are thinking. So that is the fluency English. But you know that is the not truth, because of if you speaking to someone they can understand. So that is the communication to everyone, like that is important. If you go to the somewhere, some people, some strangers also there, yeah, you can speak with them like slowly, they can understand. And try to like the if you taken the one word, the fully pronunciation, after that go to the another word. If you some of the word you will be, if you speaking the word so many, the word you skipping the fully pronunciation, like I don't know the what's kind of the reason. So if you speaking the fast, you having to the pronunciation that full word. So try to speak slowly initially, after you get your fluency, yeah, you can speak very well. And also I mentioned, so if you start the English, don't wait for the perfect time. It is the never came from any time. Also if you speaking to your mother, or if you speaking to your friends and your college or schools, so try to the use so many simple English word. Like if I go to the some take the chalk and the pen and the pencil, if you using the simple word in the mother tongue, so instead of you using the English word, the lot of the water, how to say, the lot of the word also there. If you so many people they are asking the water in the own language, some of things. So try to use it the English, like how to say, the I need some water. If you ask your mother, Mom, can I use some water? I need because of I'm thirsty. So like that you ask the simple, like so many simple sentence and simple words also there. I mentioned some of the example like the water. You should ask the snacks and something food and dinner. And also if you're hungry, you ask to yourself and your home, Mom, I am hungry, do you have any food or any snacks? You ask the English, yeah, you can do, how to say, if you the frequently asking in your English word, frequently using the so many English words, yeah, you can speak. I'm also beginner, yeah, you can see I'm also stuck in some of the time, but you know, like I'm speaking some the good, like in my opinion. So try to the practice every day. Put on the at least 5 to 10 minutes. That is the enough. So in this video, we gonna see how to start the English so like that way. So if you know any made a mistake for my conversation, so please let me know in the comment section. I will correct them upcoming video. And then so that's all. So thank you for the watching, and please subscribe my channel and also like and share. So thank you for watching. We're gonna see next video. Okay, bye.